Hello, my name is Jordi Ibern. I'm a meditation teacher and the founder of Kisetsu Reiki and Meditation School. And today I would like to introduce you to our workshop, How to Start Meditating Easily. During this workshop, I will guide you step by step through the essential fundamentals of meditation, from learning how to sit and breathe to demystifying common misconceptions about meditation. We will explore every facet of this ancient practice in 12 videos, including theoretical and practical classes. The workshop is designed to be accessible and valuable for everyone, from beginners to those with prior experience. Over more than 2.5 hours, you will learn to create a suitable space for meditation, use mantras, visualization, demystify common myths, and establish a regular practice. Are you ready to start your meditation practice? I really recommend this workshop, not only to learn how to practice meditation, but to enjoy and fall in love with meditation.